Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. We're doing a landing challenge in the United Kingdom heavy winds in the A320 Neo. So let's go ahead for a short final here. 170, 160, 150 knots. We're going to do a slight decline and a right base onto the runway here. Should be a very fun, interesting channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get started here as soon as this loads up. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos and subscribing. We're doing good, guys. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button or brush against it lightly. It's up to you guys. Here we go. We're landing on 27. Right there. Here we go. You see how windy it is? A320, pretty stable aircraft normally. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I believe it's down and over here somewhere, so I'm going to be fluctuating for a little bit. Let's leave everything the way it is. I don't want to mess anything up here. We're going to get overspeed warnings due to the wind, so don't worry about that, guys. I'm just going to go down, push the nose down here. Here we go. Alright, there we go. We're descending, you're going to land there. Oops. This is the thing about this aircraft. Uh-oh. Oh boy. We got a problem with this. Controller not working here. Alright guys, we got a little bit of technical difficulties. Alright. There we go. Alright, now we got it. Holy crap, we're way off base here. There's the landing there. Alright, sorry guys, I couldn't get the flight controls to work correctly here, so let's go ahead and get this plane down. We're going to throttle drop. This is a very technical landing here. I call this one the throttle drop, where we basically overshoot the runway at a high altitude and then heavy bank and down glide in a heavy wind situation here for a short final. Here's what we're going to do too. We're going to go ahead and pop those up. There we go. Here we go. Don't worry about the speed. It's going to level out here very soon. Watch how much airspeed we bleed off. Let's see if we make it. This is a drastic one here, boys, girls. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. What the? We landed on the water? And we failed. Alright, so, yeah. The throttle drop didn't work. Let's try it again. Phew. Alright, one more time. I didn't have this controller working properly. It's working now. So, I think the second time around we should be a little bit better off. Hopefully. Let's go ahead and get in it. Here we go. I'm just going to leave that. So far, so good. Half a throttles. I'm going to just descend and turn. Windy, windy. Looks like a cold morning. The sun's just rising. We got high, heavy winds. Pretty good visibility. And a short final coming up here. This is a challenging runway. I need to find out where this is in the UK and try this on our own. Alright, let's start turning. $1,000, what? Okay. Should be over here somewhere. Got another try. Remember, I like to do 3 shots and go from there. I don't even know where this runway is. Where is the runway? Oh, there it is right there. Okay. Here we go. Come on, let's get it. Our airspeed's okay, because we gotta wait till like last second and then drop it. Here we go. Alright, there we go. We're just gonna bring back our airspeed slightly here. There we go. Put that on max. Oops. Oh, there we go. Let's see if we made it. Oh, jeez. We did it. Wasn't pretty, but geez, we did it. There you have it. Oops, still trying to brake here. There you go. Did it. All right. Whew. My God, that was a little bit stressful, but we landed. I don't know how I can land in a heavy stress situation like that and crash on easy landings, but there you have it, guys. That's my landing challenge. That's my score. See if you can beat it, guys. That's the UK landing challenge video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you can do better than me, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know. Try it out. Do it for yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, Dustin Vendiga, God bless. Peace. See you on the next flight. Bye now.